Good morning, everyone. Today I am here with test lecture of chapter 8 comparing quantities, and this is mathematics class of grade 8. There are few instructions regarding the test. This test is of 25 marks. It consists of 12 questions. Question paper is divided into 4 sections: section A, section B, section C and section D. And duration of the test is 60 minutes. Dear children, you are supposed to send the solution of this test on the same email ID on which you are sending the homework these days. So section A, 1 mark questions. Question number 1 and 2 are the fill in the blanks. Question number 3, 4 and 5 are MCQs. So section A has 5 questions, consists of 5 questions, 1 mark each. Section B, 2 marks question. Question number 6, 7 and 8, these are of 2 marks each. Section C, 3 marks questions. Question number 9 and question number 10 are of 3 marks each. Section D, 4 marks questions. Question number 11 has 2 parts and each part is of 2 marks. So total question number 11 is of 4 marks. Question number 12 is of 4 marks again. So all the best, do well and do submit your test solutions on the same email ID on which you are sending the homework these days. Thank you so much.